You can order the ignition coils used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. Remove the engine cover. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 bolts and 2 nuts that hold the plastic cover in place. Then, remove the cover. Disconnect the power from the ignition coil. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a ratchet and a long 10mm socket, remove the bolt holding the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a vacuum to properly clean around the spark plug. This prevents the dirt from falling into the motor.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
You can order the ignition coils used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You can then screw the bolt back in using a ratchet. Reconnect the ignition coil. You can now repeat the process on the other ignition coils. Put the plastic cover back on and screw it back on. Operation complete.